Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So our thermostat got broken. Switch knob is not working. It got detached and we cannot fix it. So it needs replacement. We have a Dimplex, very old one, 20-year-old version. So we're gonna replace it with this one. We're gonna change it. Let's go. So as you can see here, this is our old one, and unfortunately when we tried to use it, it just broke. See here, and cannot fix it because this knob snapped. It's a plastic one and cannot really fix it. It needs to be replaced. So we're gonna replace it with this one, kind of the same analog 2-wire single pole thermostat. Okay, let's go. And before you change this one, make sure to cut the power off. Okay, so make sure you know where to cut the power. For us, it's this one. Okay, so simply just, well, this one is removed down. Remove the casing and unscrew the screws. We got no power anymore, so we can just unscrew this one. It's removed, and you can see the wirings. And make sure there's no power. You need to buy like a voltage sensor, or make sure you don't get electrified. Nothing. So if there's electricity, it will be like this. It sounds like this. It means there's electricity. And this one, none. Okay, so we're safe to remove it now. So this is the live wire. So there's only 2 wires, the black and the red. So you can see it's pretty easy. So just switch the old one with the new one. Simple as that. Let's remove this one here first. For the red wire, for the black wire, and this one is already stripped, so I just remove it. So for the red wire and for the black one, and then just put them right back inside. Oh, forgot, need to remove the casing. You're coming, Maria.
I can do it. Honey, sit down and...
This way.
Out.
Just like that. So as you can see, it's using a Fahrenheit temperature label. So we can change it with Celsius. So you just pop this one out and change it to this one, Celsius. Nice. So now we got a new one, and then just put it right back in. And that's it. It's changed. Good. Easy.